The frequency spectrum of GSM it is 900 MHz, which consists a 25 MHz frequency band. The spectrum 890 to 915 MHz is used to transmit the information from mobile station to base station. It's called as uplink frequency. Uplink means information it is transmitted from the mobile station to base station. And for the GSM system it is 890 to 915 MHz. The spectrum 935 to 960 MHz is used to transmit the information from base station to mobile station, and this is called as downlink frequency. The available spectrum of 25 MHz band is again divided into 200 kHz band. So it consists total number of channels is 125. Then again this 200 kHz band is divided into 8 time slots. This is the information related to the radio aspects. Next we see the mobile call origination in GSM. Figure shows the mobile call origination in GSM. Means we can call from our mobile phone. So first is the mobile station sends the dialed number indicating service requested to the MSC via BSC. Means first mobile user sends the dialed number and the service requested to the MSC by using BSC. Means this dialed number and services passes to the MSC with the help of BSC. MSC means mobile switching center. And next, the MSC checks from the VLR if the mobile station is allowed the requested service. If so, MSC asks BSC to allocate necessary resources for the call. Means MSC checks from the VLR. VLR means visiting location register. First MSC checks the VLR if the mobile station is allowed the requested services. If so, then MSC asks to the BSC to allocate the necessary services or necessary resources for the call. Next, if the call is allowed, the MSC routes the call to the GMSC. Means if call is allowed from the BSC, then MSC routes the call to the GMSC. GMSC means the Global Mobile Switching Center. If call is allowed, then MSC routes the call to the GMSC. Then the GMSC routes the call to the local exchange of the called user. Means GMSC, then this call is routed to the local exchange of the called user. The local exchange alerts means applies the ringing to the called terminal. Then this ring is allowed with the help of local exchange. Means the local exchange is alerts to the called terminal, means the user. The answer back signal is routed back to the mobile station through the serving mobile switching center, which also completes the speech path to the mobile station. Means ring is applied, then the call terminal user accepts this call, means answer is back from the called terminal to the mobile station. This is the mobile call origination in GSM. Means call user, it is a mobile user, and this mobile station sends this information to the called terminal with the help of mobile switching center. So remember the points of the mobile call origination in GSM. First is the mobile station sends the dialed number indicating services to the mobile switching center with the help of base station controller. Means this number and services are passes to the mobile switching center with the help of base station controller. Then MSC checks from the VLR if the mobile station is allowed the requested services. If so, then MSC asks BSC to allocate necessary resources for the call. Then if the call is allowed, then MSC routes the call to the GMSC, that is global MSC. The GMSC routes the call to the local exchange. Then local exchange alerts the call terminal, means applies the ringing. Then answer is back routed to the mobile station through the MSC and completes the speech path from the mobile station. This is the function of the mobile call origination in GSM. Next is the mobile call termination. So first is the PSTN user dials the MS-ISDN of the call terminal in GSM. Means here the PSTN user dials this number, that is the MS-ISDN number, means mobile station ISDN number of called user in GSM. Then the local exchange routes the call to the GMSC of the called GSM user. Then the function of the local exchange is routing this number with the help of GMSC. Then the GMSC uses the dialed MS-ISDN to determine the serving HLR for the GSM user and interrogates it to obtain the required routing number. Then the function of the GMSC is the GMSC uses this MS-ISDN number, means it is passes from the PSTN user. It determines the serving HLR that is home location register for the GSM user, means accepts this MS-ISDN number and determine the serving HLR for the GSM user and interrogates to obtain the required routing number. Then HLR requests the current serving VLR for the called mobile station for a MSRN number, that is mobile station roaming number, so that the call can be routed to the correct MSC. Means then HLR requests the current serving VLR. After that the HLR sends request to the VLR for the MSRN number. Means MSRN means the mobile station roaming number. Then the VLR passes the MSRN number to the HLR. After that the HLR passes this MSRN number to the GMSC. Next, using MSRN, the GMSC routes the call to the serving MSC. After that, this VLR passes the HLR passes this MSRN number to GMSC, and by using this MSRN number, the GMSC routes the call to the serving MSC, means the particular MSC. The MSC interrogates the VLR for the correct location identity for the mobile station. Then the function of the MSC is the MSC asks to the VLR for the current location of the mobile station. After that, the VLR provides the current location for the mobile station. Means MSC asks to the VLR for the current location of the mobile station, and then VLR passes the current location to the current location of the mobile station to the MSC. Then the MSC pages mobile station via the appropriate BSS, that is base station subsystem. The mobile station responds to the page and set up the necessary signaling links. Means the MSC pages the mobile station via the appropriate BSS. When the BSS has established the necessary radio links, the MSC is informed and the call is delivered to the MSC. Means BSS, it is a fully established, then MSC informs, the call is delivered to the mobile station. When the mobile station answers the call, the connection is completed to the calling PSTN user. Means answer is back from the mobile station, then the connection is completed. This is the mobile call termination. Here the mobile, so the remember points of the mobile call termination. The PSTN user dials the MSISTN number. Then the local exchange routes the call to the GMSC. The GMSC uses the MSISDN number to determine the surveying HLR. Then the HLR requests the current surveying VLR for the called mobile station for the MSRN number. Means HLR sends the request to the VLR for the current location of the mobile station, that is the MSRN number, means mobile station roaming number. After that, VLR sends the MSRN number to the HLR. Then HLR passes this MSRN number to the GMSC. Then GMSC using this MSRN number routes the call to the surveying MSC. Then MSC interrogates to the VLR for current location identity of the mobile station. Means then function of the MSC is MSC asks to the VLR for the current location of the mobile station. After that, the VLR sends the current location of the mobile station to the MSC. Then MSC pages mobile station via the appropriate BSS. Means MSC sends this page, means the information, to the mobile station. When the BSS, means base station subsystem, has established the necessary radio links, the MSC is informed the call is delivered to the mobile station. Means if the BSS is fully established, then MSC informs to the mobile station, that is call is delivered. When the mobile station answers the call, the connection is completed to the calling PSTN user. Means when the mobile station answers the call, then the connection is completed. This is the mobile call termination.